Heavy rainfall has been wreaking havoc in Uttar Pradesh. Yesterday, at least 22 people lost their lives in separate rain related incidents in the state. There seems to be no relief for the people of UP as the weather agency has predicted more rainfall for eastern parts of the state today. As per reports, at least 9 laborers were buried alive under the debris when an under construction wall in Lucknow collapsed on their huts. Officials told news agency PTI that the 13 other deaths were reported from Unnao, Fatehpur, Prayagraj, Sitapur, Raebareli, and Jhansi. All the 9 deceased are from Jhansi district. District Magistrate Suryapal Gangwar said that the injured people have been admitted to Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Hospital. The Chief Minister's office said in a release that the state government announced a financial assistance of 4 lakh rupees each to the family of the deceased. The state recorded widespread heavy rains since Thursday. According to the IMD, the state recorded 32.2 mm average rainfall yesterday, which is 428% higher than the LPA or the long period average of 6.1 mm. Yesterday, rains were reported from 74 out of the state's 75 districts of the state. The regional Met Department has issued a yellow alert predicting heavy rainfall with thunderstorms and lightning in several areas in Uttar Pradesh. The Lucknow administration has issued an advisory after heavy rainfall and have advised people to stay away from areas prone to floods. Yesterday, Mumbai too witnessed torrential rains. The IMD has forecast light showers in isolated places. Delhi recorded its coolest day of September in the last 10 years on Friday, with the city's maximum temperature settling 8 degrees below the normal at 25.9 degrees Celsius. According to the IMD, rains coupled with winds brought the mercury down in the national capital.